Hold me baby, cause I can look back. Stress the feeling, far beneath me.
Think about it. You're walking down the street, and a song drifts out of an open window. Not just any song, but your song. Suddenly, you're not on the street anymore. You're 18 again, driving too fast on a summer night, windows down, the world feeling brand new. You can practically smell the salt air or the cheap pizza from that first date. A simple 3-minute melody has just performed a magical act. It's not just a sound wave, it's a time machine. We talk about music moving us, but we often forget how deeply it reaches. It doesn't just recall a memory. It floods you with the exact feeling, the joy, the melancholy, the sheer, unqualified optimism that you had the moment you first heard it. But what happens when that song is different? What happens when the melody is the same, but the voice is new? When the instrumentation is changed, and what was once a driving rock anthem is now a quiet acoustic ballad? When we hear a cover song, our brain recognizes the tune, but that subtle difference, that new timbre or tempo, can filter the memory. It acts like a prism, refracting the original experience. Does it lighten the sadness? Does it make the joy feel more distant? Does the memory feel less like an instant teleportation and more like a gentle, reflective flashback? That is the true power of music and the power of its variations. It's the ultimate emotional archive. And today, we're diving into that archive to explore how the version of the song can fundamentally change the version of the memory.